consists of two components, the receiver and the transmitter. The receiver features an HDMI port and a USB-A port. The transmitter features a USB-C port that can directly connect to various mobile devices. To start casting, first plug the receiver to the projector. Next, plug the transmitter into your mobile device. Once connected successfully, a checkmark icon will appear and casting will start automatically. If you want to pair with a different transmitter, use a paperclip or SIM eject tool to hold the reset button on the transmitter for about 2 seconds. Plug the transmitter into your mobile device and press the pair button for 5 seconds. And casting will start automatically upon pairing. To stop casting the first transmitter, press the pair button. Then press the pair button on the second transmitter to start casting. Once connected, casting will start automatically.